Hey everybody, what's up? Hope all is well. Thank you for being here. Thanks for coming back always to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If this is the first time you're here, I appreciate you very much, and thanks to my old subscribers as well. Thanks for coming back, guys. Today I'm going to be using a 1 ounce bottle to make a massage glowing oil, and this is such a great recipe. So I'm gonna see if I can throw up some information on the screen for you and how you need to use this oil. So first you need a syringe, and you need one of this syringe here and a little funnel. You need some oil. Like, you can use any oil you want. You don't have to use the one that I'm using right now. You can use a boba oil. You can use any fractionated oil, coconut oil, your own preference. As you can see on the side here, I have some small bottles of which one you can be using. So go ahead and try this recipe, guys, for this recipe here. Like I said, always, you can always adjust your oil, and if you need to make a big bottle, just go ahead and double your oil bottle, whatever you're using. And so this glowing oil, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, your arm, wherever you want to use it. For me, I don't even use lotions anymore, guys. I grab these glowing oil or massage oil, whatever it is. I have them in big bottles, and so big fancy bottles. And so what I'll do is that I can grab any one that I want. I have my bag, and I will get like small bottles, and I'll put some in my bag, just drop it in there. Whenever I feel dry, my hands dry or whatever it is, I can also rub them. Not only that, by you going on and using all these fantastic oils, you will find that your nails are so beautiful. Like, honestly, guys, I've been using them on my fingers, not my fingers, my hand. And I'm gonna be taking off my gloves one day and show you guys how I use these fantastic oil, and what is it doing for my fingers and my hand. Just so smooth, and my nails, like, they are so shiny. I've been using them for all these years. My nails are so shiny right now, guys. It's just unbelievable how pretty these nails are without nail polish. Because people are asking me if I just have clear nail polish on, and I said no, these are my nails. They are looking so wonderful. Before, I never could keep my nails, like, they keep on getting brittle and so forth. So by just grabbing these oils and using them, I can see a big result. I also use this oil. What I do is I make an oil like this one for after shower. So I will put this into a spray bottle and I will spray myself, guys. So by time I finish drip dry, I finish my comb my hair, I'm drip dry, and I don't need oil, I don't need lotion or anything like that. It just seep in my skin, and you have to try what I'm trying, guys. And so this is a finished product. I'm here talking, and I forgot. I hope you guys are seeing what I was doing. So just give this a good shake when you're done, and you can use a few drops whenever, if you're gonna put this on your face. Just a few drops. You don't want to be oily, shiny. But if you're gonna need to use it on your body, you're gonna need more than a few drops. As always, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks always for coming back, and thanks to my new subscribers. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.